By definition, yoga is a Hindu system that aims at achieving the spiritual union of your inner self with the Supreme Being in a form of complete tranquility and awareness. It does this through intense concentration, meditation, and exercise. Practices that involve controlled breathing and postures. In simple terms, yoga is all about connecting your body and mind through breathing and movements that relax the mind and increase the level of flexibility and fitness in your body. To some, yoga is just a type of exercise that is used as a pathway to empower you to live a fulfilling, strong and healthy life. Now you have an idea of what yoga is, but where exactly did it come from? And how did it get this popular? Below is a brief history of yoga, which will show you how yoga has developed to the practice that it is today. The practice of yoga has a long and fascinating history, dating back over 5,000 years to northern India. While some researchers believe the practice may be even older, it is widely agreed that the Indus-Sarasvati people were the first to develop yoga. The word yoga itself was first mentioned in the oldest sacred text, Rig Veda, which was a collection of texts containing rituals, mantras, and songs used by Vedic priests. The word yoga was derived from the Sanskrit word yuj, which means to yoke, to unite, or to join. This is a fitting translation, as in those times, yoga was seen as a means of uniting the body with the spiritual realm. Following the pre-classical yoga era came the classical yoga era, which was defined by the father of yoga himself, Patanjali. Patanjali's yoga was presented through sutras, which were the first organized presentation of yoga. Here, Patanjali systematized the practice of yoga into an eight-limbed path, which was meant to guide people beyond the mind and towards yogic freedom or samadhi, which is essentially enlightenment. Overall, the practice of yoga has evolved significantly over time, from its early roots in ancient India to the present day. While there have been many different forms and variations of yoga throughout history, the fundamental goal of achieving spiritual and physical well-being remains at the core of the practice. After the classical yoga era came the post-classical yoga era, where the teachings of the ancient Vedas were rejected. Instead, yoga masters developed their own system designed to revitalize the body and prolong life. They created a physical yoga style with essential techniques for cleansing the body and mind, which helped practitioners break free from the knots that fixed them to their own physical existence. This style eventually gave birth to what is now known as Hatha Yoga in the West. The modern period of yoga began in the 1800s and 1900s, when yoga masters started spreading the practice to the West. Swami Vivekananda gave a yoga lecture at the Parliament of Religions in Chicago in 1893. In the early 1900s, Swami Sivananda and T. Krishnamacharya promoted Hatha Yoga in India. In 1924, T. Krishnamacharya opened the first yoga school in Mysore, producing 3 students who developed the practice further. B.K. Desiyangar created Iyengar Yoga, T.K.V. Desikakar created Vinyoga, and K. Pattabhi Jois created Ashtanga Yoga. The yoga styles we have today have evolved from these 3 students. The practice of yoga continued to spread until Indra Devi opened the first yoga studio in Hollywood. Today, yoga is widely practiced in various settings, from outdoor venues, schools, community centers, gyms, and studios, to social media channels like YouTube and online videos. As you may have noticed, there are many different types of yoga. The next step in understanding yoga is to explore the various styles and types of yoga available to you. As a beginner, exploring the various types of yoga can be an exciting and enriching journey. Yoga offers a variety of physical and mental benefits that can improve your overall well-being. Here are some reasons why you should consider adding yoga to your fitness routine. Flexibility and strength. Yoga involves various postures that can help improve flexibility and increase muscle strength. Through regular practice, you will notice improved mobility, balance, and coordination. Reduces stress and anxiety. Yoga incorporates deep breathing techniques and meditation that can help reduce stress and anxiety. It can also promote relaxation and improve your mood, leaving you feeling rejuvenated and refreshed. Enhances focus and concentration. The concentration required during yoga practice can help improve focus and mental clarity. It can also enhance memory and cognitive function. Boosts immunity. Yoga has been shown to boost the immune system by increasing the circulation of blood and lymph throughout the body. This can help reduce the risk of illness and disease. Promotes better sleep. Yoga can help improve the quality of your sleep by reducing stress and promoting relaxation. Regular practice can also improve the duration and depth of your sleep. Overall, yoga is a holistic practice that can benefit your physical, mental, and emotional health. Whether you choose to practice vinyasa, hatha, iyengar, ashtanga, bikram, or any other type of yoga, you are sure to reap the rewards of this ancient practice. So why not give it a try and see how it can benefit you?